French Bulldogs, with their charming bat ears and playful personalities, have stolen the heart of America as well as everywhere. This compact companion boasts adorably wrinkled faces and come in a variety of brindle, fawn, and pied color. Despite their stocky build, they are energetic and love short bursts of playtime. Franchisees are known for their gentle and affectionate nature, making them perfect for families or individuals seeking a loyal and loving friend. So if you are looking for a crudely comical canine companion, the French Bulldog might just be your perfect pup. Thank you guys for watching America's popular Bulldogs video. So hit the subscribe or follow button for more videos.